Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll build a JavaScript program that converts a binary number to its decimal equivalent using recursion. Binary is a base 2 numbering system, and we'll convert it step by step. Recursion makes this process elegant and easy to understand. Let's start by outlining the problem. We need to convert a binary string like 101 to a decimal number. We'll do this by multiplying each digit by the appropriate number of 2 based on its position. This process will be handled recursively, digit by digit. Let's dive into the JavaScript code. We define a function binary to decimal with two parameters, binary string and index, defaulting to 0. If the index reaches the end of the string, we return 0. Otherwise, we extract the current digit, calculate its value, and add it to the result of the recursive call. This continues until all digits are processed. The function works by analyzing one digit at a time. We multiply the digit by its position's power of 2 and sum it with the recursive call on the rest of the string. This way, each digit contributes correctly to the final decimal value. Let's analyze an example. Let's take 101 as an example. At position 0, digit 1 gives us 4. At position 1, digit 0 gives us 0. And at position 2, digit 1 gives us 1. Adding them together gives us 5 in decimal. This shows how recursion naturally handles digit position weighing. Binary to decimal conversion is fundamental in computer science and networking. It is essential for reading low-level data formats and building efficient algorithms. This recursive approach is great for understanding how to break problems into smaller steps. Let's wrap it up with a summary. We've built a recursive function to convert a binary string to its decimal value. It is a great way to understand digit position weighing and recursion. Try different binary strings to see how they convert. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.